Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to find CapCut templates. CapCut provide you with different kind of templates that can be reused as a guide so that you can create new contents and new type of videos. These templates are broken down into different categories and you can select any of the category you like. To do that, first open your CapCut application on your mobile phone. Then here you'll be taken to the edit page on the first. Now here you need to tap on templates option on the down. With that, here you can explore different types of templates as you want. You can also see different types of categories on the top. You can choose any of the category to make your videos, or you can also tap on the search bar and look for the content that you want. Now search in any of the word, then you'll find different types of templates for that. Here you can see different types of templates. Now tap on the template that you want to use. Now to use the template, you can tap on use template option. Then here you need to select different videos and photos that you want to add on your content. Then tap on next option. With that, your videos will be compiled in the template. Now here you can see the video. Now here you can adjust the videos however you like. Some of the templates have locked in feature that cannot be moved. With that, you can also change the audio by tapping on audio option. After editing your video however you like, now tap on the option of export on top right corner. With that, you'll be able to download your video. This is how we can find CapCut templates. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.